Alright, tubes. We're doing the front sway bar bushings on this. I've already got new end links in it, so I'm not worried about that, but we need to do the bushings because I have a better kit for that. I'm going to remove this plastic shield just to make things a little easier. And we got the car jacked up on stands, rear wheels blocked, and the wheels are touching the ground slightly, but they're kind of even, which is important because you don't want any tension on the sway bar. So, 8mm. Let me get these screws out of here. Nice. Those are even rusty. Rusty crusty. Probably because someone before me drove this thing on the beach. That's all I need to do. Nice, you can see everything under here. Oh, nice. I can get to all the steering stuff. That's another thing I gotta do. So we got 16mm here, and again on the back side, same thing with those two. So I'm gonna peel those off with this guy here. I should put that off. Just looking under here, seeing if we got any oil leaks. It looks like I'm leaking oil out of that little sensor there. I might have to get a new oil pressure sensor for it. Otherwise, I think that's most of where my oil leak's coming from. So yeah, they have an upgraded sway bar for this, but I didn't feel like spending the $300 for it, and plus they still have brand new links on the other end. So yeah, so I'm gonna get the socket. I got a 16. Yes, I'm using chrome, but I like to live dangerously, so that's what we're gonna do. This first one here. Now the kit that I have is the energy suspension kit. The brackets should fit this, but we're gonna find out. So we'll be replacing these brackets. Let me go get the energy suspension kit. Let me just stay right there. I'll be right back. So here's the kit that I got. Here's the part number. Should be a 27mm. It's typically what these cars are up front. And before we get too much farther, we do need to make sure that this fits. And it does. Okay, so I got the right bushing. Yeah, that feels a lot better than the crap that's in there right now. So I'm just making sure that this fits the studs. Yeah, so we're good. This will fit. Sweet. Okay, so side. Don't need the bracket, but we need to get the nuts. Okay. Just gonna remember here. Watch your eyes, tubes. Okay. This plastic bit's kind of in my way, but whatever. So look how squishy that is. I mean, it's... So, all the lube washed out. That's just fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna get some gloves, and I'm gonna shmoo on our fresh stuff. Yeah, these are disgusting. They came with another kit and they're junk. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, so I have energy suspension stuff. This came from a kit. I had extras from other kits that I didn't really use the stuff on. So I got plenty. Let's just say that. So we're gonna shmoo a little bit in here. I don't know if you can see inside there. I can't see the camera. The camera guy's gonna have to tell me. Can you see it?
Yep.
Okay, so we'll save the rest of the tube for the other side. So we've used about half. And then I'm just gonna work this on the inside. Now, it has a little hole here because the bracket's got a little grease dirt. We can actually pump this full of grease later, keep it lubricated, and it'll make it last a long time. So now, oof.
Ugh.
All right, hang on. We need a paper towel for that. I'm gonna make sure we wipe all this off. And same practice with the rear sway bar. We're gonna put the slit towards the back. And that goes like that. And then we'll do the same to the other one. Just use all of it. Just coat it, fill the cavities, and then we can come back later with the grease gun with the proper grease. Yeah, she snaps on there real nice like. Okay. Now the fun part. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hang it with one nut. I want to use these washers it came with. Let's see how far that stays. Okay, I'll hang it like that. Oh, damn it. You little bastard. Gotta give it some room to pivot. Oh, gotta put the nut on the right way. That would help. Nice. I love it when stuff fits right. Okay. So that's about as far back as it'll go. I'm gonna run this down evenly. We can come back later and actually torque it, because I have a torque wrench. That should be good. Yeah, that it's very tight. This should be good for position where we want to also keep it equal too. Alright, let's run her home. Alright, so now that we built ourselves a NASCAR rig, no, I'm just kidding. We can, well, put the plastic cover back on and go for a test drive. Come back later and check them, torque them. That's pretty much it. Let's go for a test drive. Alright, Tips, let's go for a test drive. Second time I forgot the wheel plugs. At least they're rubber and not the metal ones I once had that between me and Adam ran over so many times we finally destroyed them. So, new sway bar in the back, extra stiff. New links, new bushings up front. Really the only thing left to do on this car is the rear trailing arm bushings, but those haven't even shipped yet. Alright, now we're going to go up the scenic road here. Must be a nice hill to go up in the wintertime. And it feels pretty firm now. That's freaking awesome. And then the figure 8 test. Oh yeah, she's handling a lot better now. She felt pretty wishy-washy earlier. Handles it. It doesn't even roll. Well, dudes, that's enough for this drive. I think she's handling pretty good. I mean, I can cut this corner without like feeling like I'm gonna tip over. So it's got a nice firm ride to it. It's rides good, but it's not harsh. So that's, you know, the big thing with this car. You don't want to kill the ride quality. So yeah, I think we're good to go. It's time to take a little break, and I think we're gonna do the trailer hitch. That's probably already happened. I don't know the order of these videos just yet. I have to figure that out. Because Adam has a bunch of stuff that needs to go up too, so you might wait a little bit for all that. But see you guys later.